Sir, please allow me to share my screen.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Progress.
Yes, sir. Now you can.
Is visible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You proceed.
Yeah. Yeah, my dear participants, we are at computer networks we have completed. Then cloud computing. Cloud computing is a 543 formula based on internet. We are performing all sort of applications. Without internet, we cannot perform any kind of service-based applications in the cloud computing. So after that, mobile security, it is the production of smartphones. And finally, cyber security to protect computer systems against attacks. Okay, so this is a prerequisite of cyber security. Then coming to the cyber security word cloud. If you see this diagram, all the terms and jargon of cyber security we have incorporated in this image. That's why this image is called cyber security word cloud. How do you publicize about Velur wit? So there may be a chance of publicizing with the help of SMS, dashboard, pamphlets, banners, digital boards, scorecards, etc. So this is one more way of publicizing about cyber security, that is called cyber security word cloud. Okay, so how do you measure the data? So being a computer, being a computer student or a engineering student, you must have knowledge on a number system, or how do we measure the data in terms of bits and bytes and kilobytes. One bit, see, computer understands only ones and zeros. If you press capital A, system cannot understand capital A. Internally, it converts into ASCII format. Hello, sir. My voice is audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Proceed.
Yeah. So if you press capital A, system cannot understand. So it internally it converts into ASCII value. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So then the binary equivalent of capital A is 65. If you divide it by 2, you are getting binary equivalent number is 100001. So then the system understands, oh, you have pressed capital A. Now see the measurement of the data in cyber security applications. 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. 4 bytes equal to 1 word. 4 words equal to 1024 bytes. 1024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte is 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte is 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte is 1 terabytes. 1024 terabytes is 1 petabytes. 1024 petabytes is 1 hexabyte. 1024 hexabyte is 1 octabyte. 1024 octabyte is equal to 1 zettabyte. 1024 zettabyte is equal to 1 yottabyte. 1024 yottabyte is 1 brontobyte. So hi, I'm Robo. My speed is 1 terabytes. My memory is 1 zettabyte. Before that Robo movie, we don't know the terminology of measuring the data. So thanks to director Shankar sir and hero Rajni sir, they have introduced the terminology in film industry. And there are 2 more terminologies presented after yottabyte. 1024 yottabyte is 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte, not JIO geo. It is a GEO geobyte. 1024 geobyte is equal to 1 infinity. If you ask me, after that, no more terminology. So if you see in same mathematical terminology, 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3, 1 megabyte is 10 power 6, 1 gigabyte is 10 power 9, 1 terabyte is 10 power 12. And petabyte is 10 power 15, exabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, and brontobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data. Sir, this is a small introduction. Now I'm coming to actual, our topic is the cyber security applications using Python programming. Why I have chosen Python programming? Python is a popular programming and object and scripting and interpreted language, and Python has a rich number of libraries. That's why Python is so popular. What are the rich number of libraries? Usually we can call it as in Java packages, in Java or Python libraries. There are various libraries daily I am using in Python programming like NumPy, SciPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, Matplotlib, various libraries I'm using in order to perform various kinds of cyber security applications. So that's why Python is widely adopted in the cyber security domain in order to perform real-time applications. So there are major concepts of cyber security applications using Python programming. What are the major concepts of Python programming? The one is scripting and automation. So one of the main reasons Python is widely used in cyber security is its ability to automate the tasks. That's why it is so popular in order to perform scripting and automation applications. Then coming to, you can see the cyber security analyst or professionals can write scripts to automate mundane tasks such as data collection, parsing logs, even automating attacks for ethical hacking. Then coming to next concept is you can see network security. So Python can be used to create scripts that can that scan networks, check for open ports, and identify potential vulnerabilities. Tools like Nmap and Scapy can be integrated with Python. So packet sniffing with Python, one can analyze network traffic by using libraries like Scapy. You can capture, dissect, and analyze network packets. Next, third one is web security. Python can be used to scrape websites for information gathering. Especially, you can use web scraping applications by using libraries like Beautiful Soup and Request make this easier. Then web vulnerability scanning. Is there any viruses are presented in the web related scripts that can be used to detect vulnerabilities in websites and web applications? Then coming to the brute force attacks, this is comes under web security application. Python can be employed to automate brute force attacks on web forms or services, though it's crucial that is done ethically and legally. Then coming to the fourth application, you can call it as forensics. So in forensics, you can see data recovery and log analysis are major concepts. There we are using Python can be used to recover deleted files or extract information from different file format. And log analysis. Whoever enter into the VIP building, automatically it captures the face and stores in the system or server. It analyzes the logs to uncover malicious activity or investigate security incidents. Then fifth one is penetration testing. So Python is a preferred language for developing penetration testing tools. So whether it's exploiting a vulnerability of post-exploitation activities, Python scripts can be a handy tool in penetration pen testers of arsenal. Okay, so this is about penetration testing. Then malware analysis. Malware is a virus or any error or any attack. With Python, one can write scripts to analyze the behavior of a malware, understand its purpose, and develop strategies to counter it. Cryptography. Cryptography is the process of converting plain text to ciphertext to plain text. Python has libraries like PyCrypto that allow for the encryption and decryption of data, as well as hashing and more. Integration with the APIs. API is nothing but application programming interface or libraries or packages. Many cybersecurity tools and platforms offer APIs. Python can be used to integrate with these APIs, fetching data or controlling these tools programmatically. And the last but one, you can call it as development of security tools. Due to its simplicity and extensive libraries, rich number of libraries we are using, Python is a great choice for developing new cybersecurity tools, whether they are for network security, endpoint protection, or threat intelligence. So threat intelligence is one more major concept of cyber security. With Python, you can develop tools to gather threat intelligence from virus sources, helping organizations to stay ahead of potential threats. So this is about 10 topics of major topics of cyber security. So why cyber security threat detection? We are clarifying how artificial intelligence is used to identify and address cybersecurity threats. It involves explaining the role of AI in analyzing data to detect potential security risks and improve overall online safety. And what is meant by demystifying AI in cybersecurity threat detection? It refers the process of breaking down and explaining the applications of artificial intelligence in the field of cybersecurity, specifically in detecting and maintaining potential threats. Then coming to cybersecurity threat detection, okay, so it explores how artificial intelligence enhances cybersecurity by uncovering advanced threat detection methods. So usually we are using various AI algorithms and techniques to analyze large volume of data, identifying patterns, anomalies, and potential security breaches. By leveraging AI, cybersecurity professionals can enhance their ability to detect and respond to threats more effectively, improving overall security measures. So cybersecurity uses three kinds of techniques in order to develop cybersecurity analytics. Okay, so these techniques are used cybersecurity professionals to detect potential threats before they occur, minimizing the impact of cyber attacks. Then in AI and ML and DL, there are three types of approaches we are using. One is supervised learning. So there is a label, there is a target class. We are classifying the data based on the target class. That comes under supervised learning. So there we are using various techniques like support vector machine, Bayesian classification, principal component analysis, various kinds of supervised learning. Then unsupervised learning, there is no target class, there is no label, but I don't know how to classify the data because of label or something. That's why we are going for clustering. Clustering is the process of grouping data into we are making similar behavior of the objects into a cluster. Based on the similarity measure, we are calculating the clustering concept. So we are using a square root of Euclidean distance equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square, y1 minus y2 whole square. So in unsupervised learning, we are using k-means clustering, fuzzy c-means clustering, etc. Then reinforcement learning, that is one more approach we are using. So based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the problems, and it can use to build adaptive security systems that can detect and respond new threats. Then deep learning, learning from the observational data with a deep manner and extension of machine learning. So it can be used to detect complex threats or to analyze large volumes of data quickly. So in this AI, ML and DL, this process includes the following steps such as data collection. We are collecting the network logs, smart system logs, and user behavior logs, and cyber attacks, criminal investigations, cyber attacks, malware detection, that all are comes under data collection. Then once we got the data, we are performing data pre-processing. Means we are eliminating the noisy, inconsistent, dirty data. Then we are going for next step, feature extraction. We are extracting relevant features from the data that can be used for analysis. Model training, selecting an appropriate AI, ML, and DL technique in order to detect and predict the future values. Then model evaluation, we are evaluating the performance of the model using validation dataset and selecting the best model. Then coming to model deployment, deploying the trained model in a production environment to detect and prevent cyber attacks. Then coming to how machine learning techniques can be used in cyber security. So for detecting and preventing cyber attacks in real time, so we are using various cyber security techniques. Anomaly detection, you can call it as an anomaly detection. Example, machine learning algorithms can train on a large data set of normal network traffic patterns, and we are using it to detect abnormal behavior. Next, coming to malware detection, user behavior analytics, threat intelligence, fraud detection. Machine learning techniques like anatomy, and coming to classification, clustering, deep learning, etc. Ensemble learning, natural language processing, reinforcement learning, time series analysis, etc. Machine learning tools that are commonly used in cybersecurity, like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, Keras, PyTorch, RapidMiner, ELTK stack, IBM Watson, etc. How deep learning techniques can be used in cybersecurity? Yes. So it gives more accuracy and more precision, less precision, detection and prevention response to cybersecurity very easily. So we are using intrusion detection, malware detection. Deep learning techniques that can be used specifically for cybersecurity data analysis, like convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, and autoencoders, long-term, short-term memory LSTM, and you can call it a generative adversarial networks, and deep reinforcement learning. Okay. Then coming to deep reinforcement learning. Deep learning tools that are commonly used in TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, Theano, Cafe, Scikit-learn, MaxNet, Torch. So this is up to now fundamentals I have explained. Can I go for directly practicals? Hello, my dear participants. Respond yourself and feel free to ask any more queries in this introduction part. Please interact with me. Theory part is over. Now I am going to execute practical session.
Okay, sir. You can start, sir. No issue.
No queries, sir. Please ask the student, sir. Please. Any one question, sir, at least. Hello, my dear students. My dear participants, at least chat, use a chat box and type query. Hello.
Yeah.
Chat box, you can post any queries if you are unable to ask.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Nobody. Yeah. Please ask me. Hello. Yeah,
Can
I'm
you hear me,
hearing
sir?
your voice.
Sir, can you explain the futures of Python languages regarding related to other applications? Your focus only regarding to cyber security, sir. In what
Yes.
way the Python languages will be applied for environment sections, other orientations?
Yeah, very good question. May I know who is this?
Kalaivanan, sir.
Kalaivanan, very good question. See, you can use Python programming implementation of data science applications like a healthcare domain. So how do you predict COVID-19? Suppose the patients are there. I don't know which patient having pneumonia, which patient having COVID, which patient have a Omicron virus, like that. So what I can do, I'm taking their chest X-ray images. That is one method I'm explaining. Or CT scan image, I'm extracting features with the help of CNN and RNN techniques, like frameworks. In Python, we have various frameworks like Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Theano, okay, and Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, sklearn. So these are the various libraries I'm using to predict whether that patient having COVID virus or not. So Python programming is so popular because we are using rich number of libraries. So wait a second. I'm going to show you how many libraries I'm using. 1 second. I'm going to show you. There are various libraries we are using in even in Python programming. Okay. So see here, I'm sharing my screen. Hello, sir. My screen is visible, sir. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Now it's shared.
So
Keep
1
eating.
second, sir. I'm sharing my screen from current slide. Sir, my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Kalaivanan, now can you see the top 10 cyber security Python libraries?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
SCAPI. SCAPI is one of the popular Python library, and the purpose is packet crafting and manipulation. And the features like SCAPI allows you to create, modify, and send packets. It's useful for network analysis and security testing. And coming to the second library of Python programming, crypto. So the purpose of crypto is cryptographic operations. There are various operations we are performing. Okay, and features like crypto provides cryptographic algorithms and protocols for Python. It supports various encryption and decryption and hashing methods. Then coming to the request, one more library, request purpose. How do you install libraries? Pip, pip space request. Okay, install. You can you can use pip command. Pip stands for package installation for Python. Pip installation is okay. Pip expansion is package installation for Python. You need to use command like this in pip install request. The purpose of request is HTTP communication, hypertext transfer protocols. So what are the features of request protocol? I mean library, while not explicitly or a cyber security library, request is commonly used for automating interactions with web servers, which is critical in web vulnerability testing. Then coming to next, fourth one is beautiful soap. What is meant by beautiful soap? It is a library of Python programming. The purpose is web scraping. What are the features? It is used for scraping HTML hypertext markup language and extension markup language documents. It is often used for web application security testing and Paramiko. It is one more library we are using in Python programming. Purpose is a secure cell hashing to protocol. So if you increase a high security for your website, we are using Paramiko library. The features of Paramiko provides SSH2 functionality, allowing for secure remote command execution, file transfer, and other tasks. Then Nmap. Nmap is also one of the library of Python programming, and it is used for network scanning. So Python Nmap is a Python library that helps in using the Nmap port scanning 8080. Okay. Then there are port number 12. There are 80 port number. Like it enables easy manipulation and automated scanning. Then Yara. Yara is a one more library in Python. It is for malware identification. What are the features of Yara? Yara is used mainly for malware research. The Python Yara library helps integrate Yara with Python for easy rule writing and scanning. Then coming to the eighth one, volatility. Volatility is a library of Python programming. The purpose of volatility is memory forensics. So volatility means RAM, random access memory. It is related to memory forensics. It is used for extracting digital aircraft artifacts from a volatile memory called RAM. Then last but one, that is ninth one, Impact. Impact is a library of Python programming. The purpose is network protocols and features. Impact offers various network protocols like SMB. The last one is Twisted. Twisted is a network programming protocol. The features like Twisted is an event-driven networking engine that's useful for creating network servers and clients. So these are the 10 cyber security libraries. Kannan. Hello, Kannan. Hello, Kannan. Understood? Python programming libraries. Hello, Kannan. Hello, Kannan. Are you there? It's okay. Why? Yeah, why? There are 5 big reasons Python is useful in cyber security. Hello, my dear Kannan. See, first one is cyber security professionals can get up to speed quickly. Then cyber security teams can from quickly. Python's extensive library means cyber security tools are already available. Python can be used for nearly anything in cyber security. Scripts in Python can be developed quickly. Okay, now I'm going to explain next concept. So practical session I'm going to demonstrate now. So my dear friends, can you see the screen? Hello, my dear friends.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, now see notepad space, see, if you check Python, see, you need to install Python. What is the version I am using? Hello, my dear friends, 3.11.5. Just go to Google. If you are first time, you are doing very simple. See like this. Sir, my screen is visible, sir.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
So type Python software. Very simple to install. Welcome to python.org. Go to downloads. See here version. Python 3.12. Latest version came into the picture. Now it is a 24 MB file. It is downloading very fast. You can also do 3.12.0 version came into the picture. Okay. So now it is downloading. See here. It is downloading. It takes 1 minute for installation of Python software. So now, see here right side corner. It is going to download now. Meanwhile, please ask me any query. Any queries, my dear friends? Participants, now I am installing Python software. After that, I am demonstrating various applications. Okay. Now, 50% of this software, very simple software, Python. CM, you need to. Yeah, meanwhile, you can ask any query. 30 participants are there. So, Kalaivanan, please ask me doubt.
Sir, when I entered in my college study, the Python languages is a old languages. Now it is a booming. What do you mean by what is the reason for booming in Python, sir?
Correct.
Nowadays,
Very good question. May I know who is this?
same Kalaivanan, sir.
Kalaivanan, very good question. Yes. 2000, even 2007 or 6, Python in SRM started. When I went for one of the workshop at SRM, in first year they are having Python programming in 2006 and 7. So that time, whatever you told correct. When you entered into this college, Python is old language. Now Python is so popular, one of the best and popular top 5 language. So you can say number 1 language, number 2 is Java, and number 3 is JavaScript. Okay, and based on the remaining languages. So why, sir, Python is the number 1 right now? Now it is booming. My friend Kalaivanan says that it is booming. Yes, because for all automation applications, we are using a less code comparatively Java and JavaScript. And for every application, for irrespective of domain, civil, mechanical, electrical, or for all social related problems we can solve. For each application, there is a library. So if you install library and you can execute whatever the fashion you would like to do. So especially for automation applications, we are using Python programming. For web applications, we are using Python programming. For call center applications, we are using Python programming. For business applications, for education applications, for bank applications, wherever data is there is a database application, we are using Python programming. So Kannan, Python is so popular because rich number of libraries, some lakhs of libraries are presented. Okay, so now can you see a download? So go to download folder, see here Python 3.12. Now I am installing. See here add path. You need to select. Hello, my dear participants. Please respond. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, add path. You need to select add path, add python.exe to path, then install. Now I am installing. It takes only 1 minute. Okay. So now one more question. Anyone? Kalaivanan, wonderful question. Any other participants, please ask any query related your research. No problem.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, myself Pradeep, sir.
Pradeep. Yeah, please ask me.
Sir, in Python, why we have to use it for CAA concept, sir?
Sorry, yeah. Sorry? Please.
In Python, why we have to use it for CAA main communication, sir?
Yeah, because see, if you want to develop that communication application related in Java, JavaScript, it takes thousands of lines, thousands of classes you need to declare. Whereas if you use Python, so half of the code we are writing instead of JavaScript. So because a rich number of libraries, each library consists of built-in functions, and we are using Python, very simple, easy to learn, easy to code, easy to navigate, easy to understand, and more libraries. That's why in order to develop communication related applications, we are using this Python programming language. Now my setup was successful. Now I am closing my screen and now I am checking through command prompt. So go to CMD, type command prompt. My screen is visible or not? Please tell me, my dear friends. Sir, please respond. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now type Python. What is the version it is showing, sir? Please tell me, anyone. What is the version? So 3.12.0. Now I'm writing a small program. Write a Python program. See here. To perform. Okay. To perform all arithmetic operations using static input. Static input. Very simple. It is Python can be executed in two ways. One is IDLE and one more is scripting way. Now I am using static input.
Yeah. Asadi, sir. Asadi,
Yeah.
sir. One second.
One small program. After that, I am going to demonstrate.
Yeah, no
Sir?
issue. Yeah, one second. It's getting that 40 minutes limit, so we need to connect again once it get disconnected.
Yeah. Please, sir.
Yes.